The women's reservation is a big fraud committed by Mr. Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party. In the name of women's reservation, they are trying to do delimitation where there is so much of confusion. There is no need to connect women's reservation to this. As per the 2023 Act, I don't know why they connected it to delimitation. Even today, if they want, they can immediately say, let there be 1/3 reservation for women in all assemblies and parliament. We will accept. No need for debate. No need for discussion. But their intention is to capture power, not to protect women. They want to do delimitation of the constituencies. They want to increase constituencies for the north. They want to see that southern states, they will have deficit. And this is going to affect us. So there is so much confusion. No discussion only. Without discussion, they want to call special parliament. And what is the connection of women's reservation to this? This is a fraud that has got exposed in the parliament, and it is embarrassing that a special parliament session is called and the whole thing collapses. That shows that they have been exposed. Everything that they've done is always been with some wrong intention. That's why Rahul Gandhi ji told yesterday, demonetization, it ruined the country for 1 year. No benefit. All other things that they do, they claim all kinds of things. The terrorism was wiped out. Then Pulwama happens. Then Pahalgam happens. No response to that. No intelligence. Why did it happen? Who are the people responsible? No accountability.